Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Tadpole Depth Module MK1 for the Tadpole and Subnautica 2. So without further ado, let's begin. You'll need to find the alien ruins, which are going to be located right here. Also, this icon is going to show you the researched outpost, which is going to be located 1300 meters towards east direction from the life pod. Here, from the alien ruins icon, you want to go to this rock formation, which is going to be in the middle and down and here. Also, there is going to be a black box of Ruby 2, and to get to it you won't need to have the depth module. You can just park your tadpole right here, but I'm going to go with the tadpole. You go straight to here, and here you can see the black box. If you back out and go right here, you'll see a tadpole chassis, which is broken down, and right next to it there is going to be the depth module blueprint right in this box. Also, make sure to watch out for these creatures. They're going to shoot some bullets at you, and you can use your sonic resonator to distract their attacks. As you can see, he's going to attack me in a while, but if I use the sonic resonator, he's going to be distracted for a while. So this is pretty much all. Where to get the Depth Upgrade MK1 and Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.